water, so that's why it looks like this. But you see, it's not all the black.
You like Janelle Monáe.
Chill. I'm finna wash the hair because I don't think I washed it since I tried to bleach it, and it smells like bleach. So. So you can't sing the alphabet?
Not that one.
Why?
Because it ain't the same no letters.
Oh. Yeah, you need a different alphabet song for it.
Yeah, because I, B, C, D, E, F, E, F, E, G?
I think.
I,
Is
B,
G?
Yeah, G. But is that what comes after F?
Right.
A, B, C, D, E,
Yeah.
F, E, G.
Because it's G.
A, I, L, M, N, O, P. Q, R, S, T, U, V, Z.
Zeta.
Yeah, I be struggling with that. I be want to say Zeta.
Well, that's how it looks, but English. I'm gonna put in some of this detangler, and then this leave-in. Even though it's not human hair, it's a hair something mix. Hopefully this does something. So it's not tangled before I put it in. Probably should have got my brush. How quickly it's supposed to be. Because the sewing does take a little minute. But I've never done a cook weave, so I don't know how quick it'll be. But it needs to be pretty quick. I wonder if it'd be like bulging out if the braids aren't flat enough. But honestly, the back of my hair is none of my business. I can't see it. this in my favorite beauty line.
When you need help.
Well, this right here is where I messed up. So you ain't got to. In all the videos I watched, they put a protective shield on your stocking cap first. I thought it was glue, so I put glue down first. No protective shield. Got glue on my hair. Don't do that. I get it on my arm already. I just started. I know I'm not supposed to get the part that's gonna be the leave out. Oh, see, and this is why I need to do it quicker. But that part's getting cut off, so it should be okay, right? Shh. That's why we got on 2 stocking caps. Just move that back. You want help a little bit? I need you to pour this glue on the back of my head and brush it down.
I'll do it when I'm done.
I'm gonna mute this just because you want to play.
Nope.
Yep. No. Alright.
Literally.
Is it coming out?
Mm-mm.
Try to twist it more. If it's not, then you can just take the top off. It'll just come out fast.
So all your head?
Except the perimeter and this front piece. So just the back.
So like some of this stuff already drying up.
Yeah, that is.
Like up here too?
Oh boy.
The crown of your head.
Yeah.
This part of your head's kind of long, so I gotta be careful.
You know what?
My hair's all glued. Not this part?
No, I could do it. So, you got the back. It's good. You got every side. I mean, I'm put more glue on it anyway, so it should be fine.
I mean, it's fair.
Okay. Thanks. No. I'm good. Alright. Because I'm pretty sure the cap is supposed to stick once I cut this. But I really don't know what I'm doing. It's okay though, because it's going to get done. I still need to get a mirror to where I can see what's going on in the back of my head. But until then, I got an assistant. Alright. It's pretty tacky already. But I want to make sure this thing stays on because I don't need no loose hair. What happened to the brush? Where's that hair? It's just hair. It looks like part of the brush.
All that hot air. You want to treat me?
I'm not supposed to do this already, but this is squeezing my ears. So I'm just going. Ooh. Am I even cutting through the thing?
Guess we done listening to Rod.
No. Ooh. That's how I've been seeing people do it. Like, start at the bottom instead of going like all the way around like a sew-in. So let's see how this goes. I got some glue on the counter, but at least it comes off. Just go ahead and go to the next row. I also gotta cut off this piece, but I'm gonna leave it for right now because I want to just stay.
That's why I emailed her and everything.
Yeah, I'll pray for me. I put in 3 of the shortest length bundles on the bottom. And then I'll put the medium and longer ones at the top. And then maybe some of the short ones, depending on if I have to glue some tracks in here because I think I did way too much leave out. Tracks in smaller pieces to make them fit. So I did like a middle section. So I just did about this much for right here. I just want to make sure they all fit. But this is way quicker than a sewing. But I am more confident in a sewing staying. I don't think it's gonna fall off anything, but I mean, we gotta see. And then the next time I do this, I'm definitely gonna do it with the I'll be seeing it with the wig caps. So like the cap you would use to make a wig, and you just glue it on there for removable quickly, which I guess is make your own wig. But I'm gonna try that next time, cause that will be great if I can keep it, especially together. But it is getting fuller the closer I get to the top, because I was worried it would have gaps. But it's looking good. I'm glad I did the curly hair. And I guess I'm a wand curl to leave out because I don't know how to blend this. But I'm gonna figure it out. Okay, finally made it to the top. Smooth. I gotta get a new chair. But yeah, I'm gonna cut the stocking cap off. Cause I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to did this and then pull out the leave out. Let's see what it's looking like. Oh. Okay. Okay. Do this go? Okay. I really hope I'm not cutting like any more real hair. I can't really tell. Oh, my ears. Oh, Lord, I got the line on for it too. Alright, I'm gonna have to stand up and do this. I'll show you when I'm done. The cap is gone. Alright, take this twist out. Probably should have blow dried these sections beforehand, but it's under, so this part don't really matter. Unless I want to put it in a ponytail or something. Okay. Did I get calling this? Is this the twist? It is. Whatever. Okay. I'm just definitely gonna have to blow dry this section. Oh, where my comb went? Oh, here's one. I never know if I'm supposed to hold this part with a comb like this because it be popping off. When I hold it like this, it pops off too. I'm gonna let it blow dry. Hold on. Do I need to straighten this before I long curl it? Cause I'll probably do that. And the dye didn't make my hair like jet black. I guess because it was red, so it still has like hints of red, but it's mostly black. So I'm straight with that because I don't want to dye it again. But yeah, let's see how the final look comes out. I'm gonna try that out there. So we down here right now. But I'm gonna straighten this and then wand curl it. And hopefully I can kind of blend it, but it's gonna be nighttime, so we're straight. What I'll do about during the day, who knows? All of these moving with stuff that I'm just currently using. It's not straightening too much. Probably because I just dyed it. Don't want to damage my hair either. I don't be doing this right. I need to get the glue thing that you hold so I don't burn my hair. Burn myself. I never know how long to hold it down. Okay. Okay, this might work. I think this is gonna work. Ooh, I'm excited. Love it when a hairstyle comes together.
At least my friends was real.
Spray some of this on there just to hold because we're gonna be outside tonight and it'd be windy and I want it to stay. Hopefully they don't make it freeze. Cause sometimes hairspray make it curl up. Do these baby hairs. And did I already say this? I don't know. I'm gonna cut off the excess frizz, like just loose pieces. Remember, I definitely gotta shape this some more.